Bless me. Do I look good when I was sneezing, yeah? Even when I sneeze, I look good. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. بخير بينو channel كام. Now I don't know if this is focused or not. Okay, so last episode I did my cheeks. But this time I want to show you how do I keep my eyebrows natural. For this, what do we need? Small brush, which I have it for my mustache. It's good for mustache, but of course you can use it for anything. You can use it for your eyebrows or somewhere else. No, if you don't have that, that's not a problem. You can use a normal comb brush. This is a comb, not brush. Anyway, so what I do usually, I start with cutting the long hairs. Sometimes they become so long and I have to cut them. But I just go like gently and nicely like this. See, it's all gone. Even here, a little bit. Not too much. I always thought that big eyebrows is bad, but now it's the trend. And plus it suits my face. I like it. I think, I don't want to talk about myself, but that's how it feels like everything in its place. You know, some people have small eyebrows. Again, we are going for natural look. You don't go like, there is some guys, they have like, even girls, I hate that on them. Please don't do that. Let it grow and then call me and then I'll come fix your eyebrow. Okay, so you can see I have some extra here. And I want to make it a little bit shorter because it's too long if you look from the profile like this. And of course I'm going to clean this area. And again, I have some whites. I'll cut the whites. I don't want them to grow, to bring more friends inside. When I was a teenager, I had this, and then slowly to make it look like it's natural and stuff, like every day I used to take out one out until it's like I don't have this connected eyebrows, and now it looks really nice. Oh my god, I did it right. Okay, so this one you can do with thread or with this, but I prefer to do it with tweezers. Let's dive in. I just want to be careful with the white one. I want to be an eyebrow model. Look, it's good. Now I'm gonna clean here and here. Okay, so here, of course, we can take it off a little bit. Like you can see, I can see there's some small bits here, but we don't touch here, you know. But the hair, like they are on the forehead, of course, you can take it off. Ugh, shit makan. Wallah جوانية بخواي. If you take it off, if you take this one here, like everyone says, yeah, I do, but to keep it look natural. See, I'm just, I don't know if you can see, but I'm just taking the top bit. That's it, finished. Now we take this bit off. Oh, I'm very wishing it will hurt. See, I didn't touch any of this. I just cleaned up. You guys are going today. Bye. And of course, you can leave like some little baby hairs to look natural. So I would cut all of it, but it will look so fake. But now what I'm gonna do, because of here, okay, here. It's hard to be a man, no? Because you have to keep everything really natural. Everyone asks me, Ali, how do your eyebrow, your beard? I'm like, it's a hard work, mate. Being that handsome is not easy. And I was just checking this side, and then we were making sure that this is nice and cute. Not a bit too long, and I want to take these ones off. Oh my god, look at this and look at this. They don't look the same, but this one looks clean. This is okay. I will do it very quickly and we will see. Oh wow. They're bothering me. Oh my god, it looks really natural, nice. We have baby hairs on the side, so it will show very natural, and here it is. You're welcome. See you next video. Take care of yourselves. آقای با کرد و کردواری نمیده متعود به آسانی دیاری که هیچ نکردیم پروسسه که تندید که کردم هر آنش هندک اخوال کنی دستیم که زور بطونی دکن زور نشتنه please make اخوال تنه ماله بیکن که لو دستیم حلا پوشتن حلا سزنه دو متعیم Bye. Next video, I'll try to do my beard for you, and maybe next I'll cut my hair.